cooking, it's called Mississippi chicken in the Crock-Pot. I got the Crock-Pot on high. What you do, I use these Purdue individually wrapped because, you know, sometimes I just pull one out and put it in the oven or on the George Foreman grill. Use ranch dressing. Now I still got a half a bag of the, I forgot how to pronounce it, or gravy. I forgot how to pronounce it again. Put like, I put about maybe 6 pepperoncini peppers in there. Do not add salt or you won't be able to add it because all the ingredients have enough salt. I'm using a stick of unsalted butter. Now I'm going to unwrap these chickens. Yeah, or I put a 1/4 of a cup of water in the bottom of the pan. You don't need much because you're going to have juices from the chicken. And you just put your chicken in there. Okay, so I'm going to pour this packet. I only put half of it anyway, so I had a half left from the last meal that I made. And I mean, it's enough because I don't like a lot of salt on my food. And with all of this, it's salty. I'm going to put the whole packet of ranch on there. That's the original ranch dry. And put the butter. Oh, that's, yeah, I'll use that. Let me get the other butter. So you can see that's all natural butter. Put the whole stick on top, like that. Oh, let me take that off. Show all the, okay. So, I'm going to put the pepperoncini peppers. I'm just going to do like that with the fork. Just pull it out, put it around. You can use as many peppers as you want. You know, you don't need many of these. And you can even pour a little juice on it if you would like some pepper juice, but I'd rather not. And here, that's 3. 4. The peppers basically add just flavor. Okay, well I think I got a little bit, 7, yeah, it's alright. It's just going to add flavor to it. Then, cover it up. I've got it on high, and cover it up and cook it for 4 hours. And it will be done, and I'll show you how I shred it up and what I do after it cooks. Okay, so there is the chicken that's done. See, it just shreds. Just stir it up, all the flavors in there. Shred the chicken. See it? It's just falling apart. You can turn it off now. I made mashed potatoes and broccoli and cauliflower. Yeah, 3 meals. But see, that's all you do. Just shred it up. Unplug it. I always unplug your appliances after you're done. Because you never trust. You don't want to set a fire just in case. You never know. I mean, this is a good pot, but still, that's my advice. Just once you're done cooking, unplug the appliance. Alright, so that's done. And that's all you do is you can use chicken thighs or chicken breasts or both together, and it's according to how many. If you got a pot full, I would put the whole pack of gravy and the whole pack of ranch. I still put the whole pack of ranch because I like ranch. And a stick of butter and some pepperoni peppers. And like I said before, you can use some of the juice too if you want more pepper flavor. But I don't like too spicy. Oh, and yeah, I'm going to put some peppers on there too. So just add as much pepper as you want and stir it up, and there you go. Mississippi chicken in a crock pot.